you. 2 more mad agents put away.
It's like mad agents have never been on an ice cream heist before.
Well, we are kind of scraping the bottom of the henchman barrel. Enlistment's down 80%. We need to be hip, edgy. We need star power.
But our recruitment video already has that stuff covered. Sick and tired of not being a mad henchman? Well, I'm Doc Claw, and I want you to join the League of Mad Operatives and take over the world. You dig? We will train you in one of the following mad specialties.
Mad Control Room Guard, Mad Black Pusher, that's how you test. Mad Screen Watcher, Mad Sleeping Guard, Mad Camp Rusher, Mad Narrator for recruitment video.
So don't be a jive turkey. Join Mad and keep on trucking. Pretty good, right? How can you improve on perfection?
But Uncle Claw, your video is so dated, it would only attract henchmen your age.
And what's wrong with that?
Oh, nothing. I'm just saying, maybe we need someone who's already a big star to attract better henchmen.
Fine. Go ahead and make me a new recruitment video.
Already done.
What a movie! That tag shrapnel makes being a secret agent look so amazing, I almost want to be one.
Inspector Gadget.
Wowzers! Chief! Nice 3D effects!
Here's your new mission. Action star Tag Shrapnel went missing while on vacation at Isla Diabolico Resort. Mad involvement suspected. Your mission? Stop Mad's evil plan and rescue Tag. This message will self-destruct.
What would Mad want with Tag?
I don't know, Penny, but I bet it's something evil. You can count on us, Chief. Wowzers! This resort has everything. Pools, restaurants, restaurants in pools. They even claim to have their very own mud monster.
Welcome to Isla Diabolico. My name is Madalena, and I'm here to serve your every desire. Should you have any questions?
Oh, I've got a question. Is Diabolico Jungle actually home to a mud monster named the Slop Squatch?
Oh, no. Until the resort opened, the Slop Squatch was Diabolico's top tourist draw. But of course, he's merely a colorful local legend.
Highly suspicious. The fact that people believe Slop Squatch to be a legend might actually be proof that he is not, in fact, a legend.
Okay. Now, can I interest the young lady in our famous Diabolico seaweed wrap skin treatment? You know, for your terribly dry skin.
Thanks, but wait, what? My skin isn't... Anyway, we have a lot of exploring to do, right?
Right, Penny.
As you wish.
Okay, this is a big resort, and Tag Shrapnel could be anywhere. So why don't we split up and look for clues?
We could do that, or we could look for clues and then split up.
Time's up, Prime Minister. I'm afraid the world has seen its last full moon.
Sorry, Director Talon, sir, is this collar necessary? It's really pulling me out of the scene. Tag, baby, for the last time, you're a prisoner. Remember, we kidnapped you, bag on your head, long car ride. The collar makes sure you won't try to escape, since it'll fry your brain if you do. Right, it's like that movie I was in where I was a prisoner of my own mind. And in the end, my mind turned out to be me the whole time. Okay, I'm gonna use that, thanks.
Gadget and that pesky niece of his are here, awaiting instructions.
Instructions? Really? Have you not been paying attention for the last 30 years? Destroy Gadget!
Can we get back to shooting the recruitment video?
Talon,
Oh, hey, Uncle Claw, how are you?
are we on schedule?
Yes, of course. We're getting some great stuff with Tag Shrapnel.
Gadget just arrived on the island. He must not interrupt production.
Gadget? Here? Ugh, I don't have time for this. Hey, does that mean Penny's here too?
Penny who? Just get to work!
Well, hello there, Talon.
Hey, Madalena. Yeah, Gadget's here. Make you a deal.
Huh?
You bring me Penny after she's had the star treatment, and I'll bring you Gadget.
Okay, little man, you've got yourself a deal.
Great! Let's do brunch sometime. Bye-bye!
Brain, I'm at the spa. There's no way a Hollywood action hero could pass up a honey cucumber facial. Tag must be in their appointment book. Oh, hi, Madalena. How's it going?
Well, hello, my dear. You simply must try the Diabolico Ultimate Relaxation Massage.
Oh, thanks, but I don't have time.
You should spend what little time you have left at the resort, of course. Come, come.
Sorry, we got cut off. I was really enjoying this. Seriously, you should give it a try. Oh, right, focus. You find anything yet? Movie cameras.
Inspector Gadget is on the trail of the elusive Slopsquatch. And these look just like Slopsquatch tracks. Aha! Mad isn't involved in Tag's disappearance. The Slopsquatch is holding Tag prisoner.
Wow. No wonder people want to be movie stars so bad. Aw, come on. Don't be like that. Here, try one of Madalena's dog biscuits.
How's it look in the dungarees? Do you buy that it's a henchman's butt? It looks fine, Tag. Are we talking island in the middle of nowhere fine? Or brooding Hollywood action star fine,
This is the life, huh, Brain?
I see you're totally relaxed.
Oh, Madalena, this is heaven.
You can finally drop your guard.
That's an odd way to put it, but yeah, I guess I can. What the?
Slopsquatch! Halt! Go, Gadget! Something to follow him with!
You've got her? Great. No, still shooting the last scene. I know it's taking forever. This guy is impossible.
Stop where you are, Slopsquatch. I have you surrounded. Go, Gadget! Handcuffs! Tag shrapnel! I knew the Slopsquatch had you hidden around here somewhere. Nothing gets past my keen Gadget investigation skills.
Yeah, really keen. Everyone take 5. Time to make a trade.
You know, I'm just not sure which tool to use on your uncle.
Brain, I'm so sorry I got carried away with the star treatment. Talon has Uncle Gadget? Well, not for long. Maybe you should do a quick rinse in the pool first. Ew.
Okay, catch Gadget, done. Trade him for Penny, almost done. Finish the video with an unconscious lead actor. I can work with that.
I'll give you something to work with.
Penny! That was an awful line.
Penny, stand aside! That young man is working with a Slopsquatch!
Uncle Gadget, there's no such thing as a Slopsquatch.
Won't get away from me this time, monster! Go, Gadget, handcuffs!
Brain, you can stop pretending to be the Slopsquatch already. Brain? But if that's not you, then who is Slopsquatch?
Okay, folks, that's a wrap!
One way or another, I'm bringing you in for kidnapping Tag, Slopsquatch. Go, Gadget, Slopsquatch trap.
It's scared of an explosion?
He doesn't like loud noises, and he says that he wasn't attacking you guys. He was just scared because everyone was making so much noise. What? I picked up a bit of the language while dating a co-star on the set of Lost in Slopsquatchian.
Oh, of course. I should have known. I guess my Slopsquatch is a little rusty.
Great job, Gadget. It looks like you've done it again.
Gadget outsmarted us again, Uncle Claw, but I managed to save the film footage. The new recruitment video will make Mad the most powerful evil empire in history.
We're scrapping your video. Tag Shrapnel was a nincompoop anyway. And Mad Cat has all the star power we need. Don't you, kitty? Yes.
Almost there. Just a few seconds more.
Oh, hi, Petty. I've used my skills of detection, and I've come to the conclusion that I'm perfectly fine.
Yeah, right. You have the flu. I've got some soup for you. You need to eat and then get some more rest.
But I can't rest. Evil doesn't rest. Go, Gadget, pillow fluffer.
Let me help you.
Benny, I think that fruit bowl is spying on me. Oh, Chief Quimby. Huh?
Gadget, I see you're still sick. I have a new mission, but maybe I should just give it to...
Me! I have to get out of here. Please?
Well, okay.
A mad agent has been breaking into museums and stealing their priceless artifacts for Dr. Claw. Your mission is to find out who is taking all the stuff and put a stop to it. This message may self-destruct.
Whew.
A thief? I can handle that.
I'm not so sure that's a good idea. You're still an agent in training.
I'll stay in constant contact with Uncle Gadget. I promise. Hey, maybe you could watch Uncle Gadget while I'm gone?
No.
Be ready for anything, Brain.
This is the best game of all time.
He might just be my best mad agent yet. With all these priceless artifacts, we can finally decorate your room, Mad Cat. It could really use some color to make it pop.
Looks like the thief is at it again. Did you see those moves? I didn't even get a chance to take a scan. And what was that light? I guess we should get back to Uncle Gadget. You can probably put your hands down now. There's no info about this mystery guy anywhere. I got nothing. What would Uncle Gadget do?
I think I'm feeling better.
Oh, wow. Well, I should probably get you a breath mint or something. Brain, could you make Uncle Gadget some mint tea? I wonder if there's enough security footage to make a composite picture. Uncle Gadget, you're not helping. And neither is this picture. Though it is kind of familiar. We're always a step behind the mad agent. So, we need to be not a step behind him. Brain, I know how to catch the spy. We'll be back in a little while. Remember to get some sleep.
Thank you for the tea. Huh? Don't think I forgot about you, Fruit Spyball. I could play this game all night.
Just thought I'd check in on my favorite agent in training. Is the trap set?
It is. The ruby's a fake, but it should look real enough for the mad agent to try and steal it.
Good luck, Penny.
There he is. He's not gonna know what hit him. Uncle Gadget? Brain, I can't believe that Uncle Gadget is the thief. Uncle Gadget, what? Did you... Uncle Gadget, wake up!
Oh, hi, Penny.
It's you. You're the thief. We were there. Why are you stealing things? You can't be working for Claw.
Huh?
You just can't.
I would never work for Dr. Claw.
I know what I saw with my own 2 eyes. Not to mention the 1,000 cameras I set up at the museum.
Wowzers. I look terrible.
Ew, so gross. Please tell me there's some tissue left. Wait a sec, this goo is tingling. That's not goo. Those are nanobots. Brain, Uncle Gadget isn't an evil secret mad agent. He's being remote controlled by an evil secret mad agent. Yes! Ooh, I can trace the nanobot's remote signal and find out who's controlling him.
Oh, man, I could play this for days.
Yes, I know what you mean. This book I'm reading is also playable for days. Wanna trade?
Not a chance.
Looks like it could be fun. You know, if you're into that sort of childish thing.
It's awesome. I programmed some pretty cool combination moves with the nano software. Gadget has never fought this good. Hey, don't lose my high score. Your turn is a lot longer than anyone else's turn.
Hey. I may be evil, but I draw the line at turn taking. It's your turn. Kidding, still me.
Not sure what just happened, but I gotta track that signal. I found the source. It's an abandoned video game warehouse. Let's go.
Hey, stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. I have managed to freeze time. I am amazing.
No, you just hit pause.
Yeah, well, fine. How do I restart it?
No, see, you have to hold the button and move the toggle at the same time. No, the other button. The button, not the trigger. Ah, just let me.
I've got it. Leave me alone. I command it.
Fine, whatever. You're just gonna lose them. They're getting away!
Well, I can't exactly drive without a license, now can I? Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road! This is it, Brain. The video game warehouse. Okay.
There aren't any coins there. Wrong game.
Maybe there is. You don't know.
I do know. They're right outside. Man, you're so bad at this.
It must be broken.
Yeah, it's broken. That's it.
There's the signal controlling Uncle Gadget. Just a couple more seconds.
Oh, look at that. She's doing research or something. That's cute. Oh, and let me show you what good actually looks like. Oh, come on! Seriously? She's so lucky.
Or maybe she just showed you what good actually looks like.
Now to extract those nanobots from Uncle Gadget. It looks like all the nanobots are gone. At least you don't have to worry about germs anymore.
Wowzers! I feel like I've been napping for days.
Huh? Oh no! They're getting away with all the stolen loot!
I'll get you next time, Gadget!
Thanks, but I don't need a ride, strange yelling man. Go, go, Gadget, copter!
Penny, because you did so well on this mission, I'd like you to be in charge of returning all of the artifacts to the museums.
Wow, Chief. Thanks for trusting me.
Gadget, once again, thank you for a job well done.
Why, you're welcome, Chief. I do love a good nap.
Oh no. Those nanobots must have given Uncle Gadget an actual flu.
Where's everyone going? Oh, you're still here, Fruit Bowl. I've got my eye on you.